What astonishable statistical data which is coming in UK media, and Nigel Farage is also talking about. That is amazing. When I will tell you, you will be shocked that if you are UK citizen, you will be shocked. If you are overseas individual, you will be shocked. If you are a neutral person, you will be shocked, because that is the right of UK citizen. What is the data I wanted to share, and which Nigel Farage is talking about in programs? 5.38 billion pounds are being consumed on undocumented migrants or illegals, you can say, in their food, in their shelters, and in their rehabilitation. And also, it is another additional news is that this data still not clear, because some other expenses in this statistical data of the financial expenses for illegal is are not counted. Mean actual financial figure is even more than 5.38 billion. And when I will tell you this point, then I think that will prick your mind, and then you will say this is breaking news. This data, financial data, is more, this finance, these pounds are more than pension allowances who are UK citizens. Mean UK citizens are giving less benefits and illegals are giving more benefit. This is my question also. Why illegals prefer to enter by illegal way? Why? Why they don't select legal pathway? Because legal pathway is not blocked by UK for any country. All members of country, all people of any country are eligible to apply for UK visa by decent way. UK visa is not difficult than US visa. You can get it very easily by submitting normal documents. There are 80 to 90% chance. The era in which UK visa was impossible, that has gone. Now each person can visit UK very easily by fulfilling essential documents. Then why people prefer this pathway? Now, I think this is inside, because they are looking for 5.38 billion pounds, because they will get food free, they will get shelter free, even they will be given compensation in their cases in the courts, and they can file asylum cases. I think UK and USA is doing blunder in case of undocumented migrants, because I will say that if you will consume the amount of the taxes to the illegals, rehabilitation, their food, and their all requirements, then please tell me, the people who are submitting applications in visa centers, in embassies throughout the world, and they are fulfilling the requirement, and we saw many people, they submit documents even after investigation of the 1 year, and they are hiring top lawyers, top consultants, and then they are able to get their visa, and then they go by legal way, and in these countries still they feel prejudice from native UK citizens. Why you come here? We are overpopulated. Even they are legal. The people who are criticizing, they were also legal migrants some years back. Now they are nationals, and they are criticizing for upcoming legal migrants. I am not able to understand that legal migrants are in a trouble in these countries. They took long time in getting citizenship. They have no any chance of asylum cases. They have no free food, free shelter, and even they are not getting good jobs, because when they go into the other countries, the good jobs are being given to the UK citizens, and they do awkward jobs. Their per month income is less as compared to the UK citizen. There is no any facility provided by the UK, because they think you are migrant. But once they became national of the UK, then they are entitled to get the benefit. But now citizenship of US and citizenship of UK without marriage looking dream always are being decreased now. Currently, Donald Trump is clearly looking how I can reduce the numbers of citizenship numbers. And that's why when the person is going for citizenship test like UK, the US is going to introduce another form in which multiple informations you have to provide. These multiple boxes, additional information by USCIS and Home Office might be in the future, is just to reduce the numbers of the PR, the number of the passport, the number of the citizens. So legal migrants always in trouble, but illegal migrants, they are the fruits, and they are eating fruits and they are eating sweet, and they think that this is the right way. No work, you will get money. If you have no money, the cases will be the fought into the court, and the judges also favoring illegals. And if I compare the 10 to 15 years data of the world, illegals who entered in European countries, in USA, in UK, even in Australia, very tight immigration, very quality department of immigration, they still entertained a lot of illegals in asylum cases. Canadians also one of the country who gave asylum to the illegals. European countries almost now. What's going on in the world now? The world leaders are having a serious headache how we can get rid of illegals, undocumented. Whole world is not worried about legal visa holders because they are being assessed, they are being verified, they are being interviewed, and of course they are very useful because they are being followed the immigration system of the world. Similarly, the people who are going as a work permit holders in the UK, they are performing very good duties and they are playing a role in economy of the UK. Similarly, other people who are going into other countries by legal work permits, they at least working there and they are getting destination of the immigration system. But illegals, nobody knows, they have the skills and they have no skills. They are educated, they are not educated. Nobody knows because they are not being assessed elsewhere. Just to example of UK, they are just coming by boats. That's only qualification, and they will just land. They will be welcomed by authorities and they will be collected in a department, and then they will be given residence in a room, and they will be given food, and they will be given even money. I was astonished that New York was paying payments to shelter homes, undocumented individuals. I will be very sad. There are women, there are children, but now currently Donald Trump motivated states. Why not we allow people to come into our countries by getting visa? That's the right way. I think world can open the heart that little bit is the visa processing. I think that will be good point for illegals, undocumented to come through legal channel. If they will come through legal channel, the criticism in the countries in Ireland, in UK, USA, Australia will be quite less. If in these just 4 months, if I collect the protest, anti-migrants protest carried out in countries, Ireland, it was too much. In United Kingdom, the right-handers protesters were a little bit harsh as well, and some incidents also reported in that protest in Starmer era. And also talk about Australia, Canada. PM Justin heads down now, and he's just thinking what I need to do regarding missing 15,000 undocumented migrants. They have no data in IRCC. They have no at radar. And what Donald Trump is doing, he is cracking down on undocumented migrants. My point is, when governments, in spite of crackdown, in spite of criticism on illegal, in spite of talking that how we can control illegals, in spite of blaming each other in politics, because 99% of UK, Australia, Canada, USA, just Donald Trump won due to immigration. Only topic is anti-migrant or migrant favor. Starmer also facing a lot of criticism on immigration. When these all worlds, developed countries, will come together and will say one sentence: we are opening legal processing of the visa quite easily. Each person can apply. We will refuse also, but you can apply by easiest way. In spite of coming by boat and entering UK, it was better at least give them compensation on legal visa. Might be in embassies, some individuals, educated individuals, professional individuals who wanted to enter into UK by illegal way, who wanted to enter into USA by illegal way. Reports are telling those illegals who entered New York and Texas, and they are successful citizens of USA, and they were doctors. I am not able to understand. This is not in my mind. Answer of this question, that doctors, why they are crossing borders from Mexico to US without visa. Doctors can get visa very easily. Why? There is a lack of trust in immigration systems of the world. I think they must announce, if you have some skill, even you are uneducated, don't come to us by illegal way. We will not entertain. We made collective law of the world. Without visa, you will not get any food, any shelter, any case, any legal status, because that is killing of those people who are coming by legal way, by doing so laborious work, and after 10 years they are not getting citizen, and you are expecting that we will consume 5.8 billion pounds taking taxes from UK citizens, and they will also you will also try to stay in that country permanently by applying asylum. It looked unfair. It looked injustice to legal migrants throughout the world, including United Kingdom. Thank you very much.